In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branch in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the branches feature and add a new location with clean, organized settings that make reporting and day-to-day operations easier. First, a quick note before you begin. Only an admin can enable the branches, also called locations, feature. And once it's turned on, it can't be completely disabled. Don't worry, you can still delete individual branches or mark them as inactive later if you need to tidy things up. With that in mind, it's best to plan your structure and naming conventions up front. Let's enable the feature. In the top right corner of Zoho Books, click the gear icon to open settings. Under the Organization section, select Branches or Locations. You'll see an option to enable branches. Click that button. As soon as you do, your current organization is automatically designated as the head office or primary branch. This acts as your base location for reporting and hierarchy. Now that branches are enabled, let's add a new location. Click Add Location. You'll be asked to choose a type. Select Business if this is an operational unit like a retail store or service office. Choose Warehouse if the location is for inventory storage and fulfillment. This distinction helps with reporting and inventory tracking. So pick the one that best matches how the location will function. Give the location a clear specific name such as Downtown Store or North Warehouse. Consistent. Descriptive names make it much easier to filter reports and avoid confusion later. If this location should sit under another, choose a parent location. For example, you might put a warehouse under a main store to build a clean hierarchy that reflects how you operate. Next, assign a primary contact. This is the person responsible for day-to-day communication and approvals at that location. Setting this now streamlines notifications and accountability. You'll also select or create a transaction number series for this location. Keeping a unique sequence per location keeps invoices, bills, and other records neatly separated. It's a simple setup that pays off during audits and financial reviews because it's immediately clear which location a transaction came from. Review the fields for accuracy, then click Save. Your new branch or warehouse is now active and ready to use in Zoho Books. That's it. Thanks for watching.